Anxiety and fear have become common issues. A lot of people come to me saying that they are restless, they don't feel connected to themselves, there is a lot of anxiety, there are fears, doubts, they lack concentration and focus as well. This common issue can be addressed via a very powerful crystal, which is amethyst. Amethyst is a crystal which is connected with our third eye and our crown chakra. Wearing amethyst helps you to balance your mind, your brain, and it soothes down your energies. It is a calming crystal as well as a powerful crystal which helps you in decision making. It helps you with confidence and lot of positive energy. Apart from that, you can get your chakra and your aura balanced as well. To book your chakra balancing and aura cleansing session, comment aura below and I will share with you a link where you can book your personalized chakra balancing and aura cleansing session.